So if you're looking for something that's turnkey, newly renovated, right in the heart of Navarre, come check out this great property in Holly by the Sea right here on Frankfort Street. Hi there, Lewis Collins here with the Collins Group, Levin Rinke Realty. With 3 bedrooms and 2 baths and over 1,800 square feet, this home has so many great updates that are sure to please. With a full in-ground pool, hot tub, covered pergola, and a covered back patio, you're sure to enjoy plenty of fun in the sun out here in the backyard. So if you're looking for a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, fully renovated, and move-in ready home, give me a call today.